For Pipeshift, I was pretty much in college. If I have to place it like that. I did my undergrad in India in this college called Manipal Institute of Technology. Infamously, I mean, the only thing that people know about it is that Satya Nadella comes from there. That's the people know about the college. But yeah, that's where I did my undergrad. I met my co-founders as well. We were actually first year, like the freshman year roommates in during our undergrad. I was running a health tech startup, which we bootstrapped and we were running profitably for like a couple of years. But we never really hit like the venture scale PMF. We also felt like it's not really a space that we wanted to spend too much time in. And we decided to move out of it to things that we like more, which was more SaaS and more tech. And then AI was coming into all of it. We had some early experience of reading about BERT and other models, language models that are coming out. So when, OpenAI announced GPT, ChatGPT came out and they announced GPT APIs for the first time. We were probably one of the first few people, amongst the first few people for sure, to try it out, see what are the capabilities now. I did see a couple of my friends were working for companies who had the early beta of GPT-2 and had seen what GPT-2 back then could do. And it was really impressive compared to the world that I come from in the beginning, which was OpenCV for vision and like traditional NLP models for language, really robotics, flow-based chatbots. So I think it was impressive beforehand itself. And when we saw GPT-3, we were like, okay, we have to do something in this. We understand this more. By background, all three of us come from a hardware background to a certain extent. And the pandemic was what pushed us into software. So we were all in robotics. We were all building robots for surveillance and defense use cases like rescue and terrain mapping, etc. During college, we had set up a research lab, but then when the pandemic came, pushed us into looking at software. In software also, we wanted to be close to AI. So we used to train a lot of vision models, a lot of path planning algorithms. So those were the things we worked on rather than the traditional software engineering.